Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Xperia XZ3, charge to at least 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, back up your data to your Google account and internal storage so nothing is lost. Make sure you have roughly 3 GB free for the download and deactivate any battery savers that could pause updates. Now open Settings, go to System, then Software Update. Check for updates so the device will search and download Android 11 automatically. When Android 11 is listed, tap Download and monitor the progress bar. The file may take 10-30 minutes depending on speed. You should allow any required download permissions and avoid heavy app use or toggling airplane mode. This prevents corruption. Once download finishes, tap Install and the phone will reboot into recovery and apply the update. During installation, the screen may show system messages, "Do not power off." After the update completes, the phone reboots into Android 11 automatically. After the reboot, complete the initial setup. Sign into your Google account, accept permissions, and update apps via Play Store so everything runs on Android 11. If you encounter a boot loop, first wipe the cache partition from recovery mode to remove temporary files. This preserves your data. If the update failed or the device won't finish installing, connect to a PC and use Xperia Companion to repair or manually apply the firmware. That often resolves stubborn update errors without immediate factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.